If you're a contractor or a building owner who needs a verified digital model that can be used for building safety or FM, the next 5 minutes should be of interest to you. Clients and FMs have always needed as-built records, but the new regulations make them crucial. If you're lucky, you get a 3D BIM model, lots of CAD drawings and COBie, and then there's photographs and lots of PDFs. Even the people who deliver all of this struggle to tie it together, so the FMs don't really stand a chance. Activeplan provides the foundations that validates and integrates the COBie files from lots of different models. M&E installers are more likely to provide schedules, so they're imported, and anything else can be added by tagging the 360s, which writes it to the space in Activeplan, creating an auditable asset record. For us, COBie starts as early as possible with the information requirements and the spatial containers in Activeplan to hold the assets and validate them as we go along. They can check that all the different schedules are sharing the same key references. Asset managers call this progressive assurance, Activeplan validating the asset data and OpenSpace the construction. This will be great for FMs who are using soft landings and should reduce the risk of disputes and retentions at the end of the project. Both Activeplan and OpenSpace are Autodesk developers and integrate with BIM 360 to help deliver a very practical as-built model at a fraction of the cost. Plus, it's much easier for FMs to update with any changes. Finding where fire dampers have been installed is always an issue for asset teams. Some BIM models include them, but they're not easy to find. This implementation of the golden thread fixes that. The designers have added uniclass to the different asset types, making it much easier for installation contractors to map model numbers of the products they've actually installed. The information about each product is recorded in a cloud-based product library, so any time spent adding machine-readable information is recouped on the next projects, and the maintenance teams can add their own key data. The COBie element of the golden thread records where each asset is installed, so the FM can view a simple interactive plan which is connected to the 360 images from OpenSpace. Simply clicking on the asset takes us to the space and highlights that specific damper in the 360 so you can see what else it's connected to. Some of the golden thread information will be in the form of documents, so those are connected as well. In this case, the technical manual is 72 pages, so one of the FM team can spend a couple of minutes bookmarking the pages that contain the information their colleagues are likely to need in the future. Asset teams looking after a portfolio of buildings may need to know where else that fire damper is installed. In the background, Activeplan provides Sodexo's master library and connects each asset types to Uniclass, NRM and SFG20, so the detailed maintenance plans can be generated for the CAFM. If this interests you, the project team recorded a more detailed presentation which I can share if you email me.